creating forms in WordPress has never been easier. With aBlocks Form Builder, you can build stunning, fully customizable forms in just a few clicks. Simply add all the fields you need, customize the design, and publish. No coding required. Let's dive in and see how you can create powerful forms effortlessly with aBlocks. First, open the page where you want to add your form. Now search for Form Builder and click on the aBlocks Form Builder block. You'll see different form options like a custom blank form, simple contact form, registration form, login form, subscription form, multi-step form, and forgot password form. Pick the form you need. Here, we're selecting a simple contact form. Once inserted, you can easily adjust the form field size percentage to fit your layout perfectly. Once you select a field, you'll see various customization options on the right. Let's go through each setting. The Field Type drop-down lets you change the input type, such as text, email, number, or password, depending on your form's needs. The Name field is used as the form's backend identifier. This is useful for form submissions and data collection. The Label is what users see above the field, making it clear what information they need to enter. The helper text provides extra guidance below the field, helping users understand what to enter. The placeholder text appears inside the field, giving a hint about the expected input before users type. Turning on the required toggle makes this field mandatory, preventing form submission without input. The error message appears when users leave a required field empty, letting them know they need to fill it in. The Show Icon toggle allows you to add an icon inside the field for better visual clarity. Need more fields? Simply click the plus icon above the Submit button to add additional input fields to your form. After adding a new field, you can easily customize it to match your form's needs. Change the field label to guide users and update the placeholder to give them a hint about the expected input. Now, from the parent settings, you have full control over your form's layout and appearance. Easily fix the row spacing to control the gap between form fields for a well-structured layout. Customize the label alignment to position text exactly where you want it, and adjust input text alignment for better readability. Let's move to labels customization. First, you can change the typography to match your website's design, ensuring consistency. Next, customize the label color. Adjust the spacing between the label and input field for a clean, well-structured layout. You can also control the icon position. For input fields, you can modify the text color to improve visibility. Change the placeholder color to guide users with subtle, yet noticeable hints. Customize the background color. You can also change the input text typography to keep it stylish and readable. Modify the padding to control the space inside input fields. Choose from different border styles to give your form a unique appearance. Round off the edges or keep them sharp with the border radius settings. And finally, customize the hover effect to add interactive feedback for users. Let's walk you through how to customize the Submit button. Change the label for the button. Choose whether you want the button to be aligned left, center, or right. Adjust the alignment of the text inside the button. From a Style section of the button, you can customize many things as per your need: typography, background color, and much more. Move to Success and Error Styles Customization panel. First, you can enable or disable success and error message previews using these toggle switches. If needed, you can also enable Demo Error to preview error message styles. Customize the typography options to match your website's aesthetic. Adjust text alignment, left, center, or right. Fine-tune spacing with the padding settings. Next, we have color settings. The Success background allows you to set a background color. Similarly, the error color applies to error message text. And finally, the error background sets the background color for error messages. Once you're done, save your changes and preview your form with aBlocks Form Builder to see your customizations in action. Love this tutorial? Hit the like button, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.